Analyzing and explaining the evidence in body paragraphs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of academic essay writing: analyzing and explaining the evidence in your body paragraphs. Remember, evidence alone doesn't make your point. How you present and explain it does. So let's delve into how to do that effectively. In an academic essay, the body paragraphs are the heart of your argument. While presenting evidence is crucial, analyzing and explaining that evidence is what gives it context and makes it relevant to your thesis. Analyzing the evidence means breaking it down and discussing its parts, while explaining means showing its relevance or significance to your main argument. When analyzing evidence, consider the following steps. 1. Identify the key components. What are the main points or aspects of this evidence? Break them down. 2. Discuss its source. Is it from a primary source, like a diary, or a secondary source, like a research paper? The type of source can affect its weight. 3. Question its validity. Is the evidence credible? Why or why not? Discuss any potential biases. 4. Relate it to your argument. How does this evidence support your point? Once you've analyzed your evidence, it's time to explain its significance. 1. Contextualize the evidence. Link it back to your thesis or the main point of the paragraph. 2. Discuss its impact. Why is this evidence significant? How does it change or support the overall perspective? 3. Clarify any ambiguities. If there's anything unclear about the evidence, clarify it now. Don't assume the reader will make the same connections you do. 4. Reiterate its relevance. Before moving to the next point or evidence, restate why this particular evidence is crucial to your argument. 1. Be objective. When discussing the validity or relevance of evidence, remain unbiased and objective. 2. Be concise. While it's essential to analyze and explain, be careful not to overdo it. Maintain clarity and brevity. 3. Use transitions. Smooth transitions help guide your reader through your analysis and explanations, making your argument more cohesive. 4. Avoid repetition. Each piece of evidence should bring something new to your argument. Don't restate points you've already made. In academic writing, it's not just about presenting evidence, but also about analyzing and explaining its significance to your argument. Remember, a well-explained piece of evidence can be the difference between a convincing argument and a weak one. We hope this video sheds light on the importance and techniques of analyzing and explaining evidence in your essays. Happy writing!